Have you ever wondered if Christmas miracles are just tales spun by imaginative minds, or do they truly exist? These enchanting stories, filled with warmth, magic, and unexpected wonders, have been a part of our holiday traditions for generations. But what exactly is a Christmas miracle? A Christmas miracle is an extraordinary event that occurs during the Christmas season, often signifying a turning point, a moment of profound change, or a manifestation of hope. They capture our hearts and minds, reminding us of the inherent goodness in the world and the power of faith, love, and compassion. These miracles come in all shapes and sizes. They can be grand, like a life saved in a seemingly hopeless situation, or subtle, like a small act of kindness that changes someone's life. Some miracles are so extraordinary they seem to defy logic, while others are small everyday miracles that often go unnoticed. Yet, each one holds a special significance, adding a touch of magic to the holiday season. The intrigue of Christmas miracles lies in their unpredictability. They have the power to surprise us, to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary, to make the impossible possible. They remind us that miracles can happen to anyone, anywhere, and at any time. They can occur in the most unexpected ways, often when we need them the most, but least expect them. And while some may question the existence of these miracles, the countless stories of love, kindness, and unexpected blessings that we hear each year suggest otherwise. They tell us that Christmas miracles are more than just tales spun by imaginative minds. They are real-life stories of hope and joy, of love and compassion, of miracles that happen when we least expect them. Christmas miracles hold a special place in our hearts. They inspire us, uplift us, and remind us of the magic of the holiday season. They show us that miracles can and do happen, often when we least expect them. Stay with us as we delve into the fascinating world of Christmas miracles. Picture this, it's 1914, and amidst the horrifying trenches of World War I, something miraculous happens on Christmas Day. In a world gripped by the throes of war, a glimmer of hope sparks in the most unlikely of places. The story of the Christmas Truce of 1914 begins to unfold. It's a tale that defies the ferocity of war, the tale of a day when the guns fell silent and the spirit of Christmas prevailed. On this fateful day, soldiers entrenched in the mud and misery of the front lines, soldiers who had been shooting at each other just the day before, decided to lay down their arms. An unofficial ceasefire was born, not from the orders of high-ranking generals, but from the hearts of ordinary men who, despite the uniform they wore, shared a common humanity and a common yearning for peace. It started with the singing of Christmas carols echoing across the desolate no-man's land. Soon, heads popped up over trenches, and instead of bullets, Christmas greetings were exchanged. The scene was surreal, a stark contrast to the usual sounds and sights of battle. In some places, this truce extended beyond Christmas Day. Soldiers from opposing sides ventured into the open, shook hands, and even exchanged gifts. They shared stories, showed pictures of their loved ones, and for a fleeting moment, they were not enemies, but friends. It was a day where the spirit of Christmas pierced the veil of war. A day when the message of peace and goodwill towards men was not just a phrase in a carol, but a lived experience. The Christmas Truce of 1914, a poignant reminder that even in the darkest times, the light of human kindness can shine through. And so, the miracle of Christmas Day, 1914, stands as a testament to the power of hope and unity. It is a story that resonates with us even today, reminding us that miracles can happen even in the bleakest of circumstances. In the midst of chaos, a moment of peace and camaraderie, truly a Christmas miracle. Now let's travel to 1947, where a miracle took place in the heart of New York City. In the midst of the holiday season, the city was buzzing with excitement. The iconic Macy's department store was preparing for its annual Christmas celebration. That year, a kind-hearted man named James Edgar had the unique honor of being the store's first ever Santa Claus. Little did he know, he was about to become a part of a heartwarming Christmas miracle. On Christmas Eve, as the store was filled to the brim with last-minute shoppers, Santa Claus noticed a little girl wandering alone. She was no more than 5 years old, her eyes wide with fear and confusion. Recognizing that she was lost, Edgar, in his Santa suit, approached her. He knelt down to her level and gently asked her where her parents were. The little girl, comforted by Santa's presence, confessed that she had lost her way in the crowded store. Unfazed by the bustling crowd, Santa Claus took the little girl's hand and announced over the store's loudspeaker that a child was missing her family. He described the little girl, her red coat, her blonde curls, and her blue eyes sparkling with unshed tears. Edgar's voice resonated throughout the store, reaching the ears of a frantic mother searching desperately for her daughter. Recognizing her child in the description, the mother rushed to the customer service desk, tears of relief streaming down her face. There she found her daughter safe in the arms of Santa Claus. As the mother and daughter embraced, the entire store seemed to hold its breath, touched by the magical moment unfolding before their eyes. In that instant, Edgar, the first Macy's Santa Claus, became a beacon of hope and joy, embodying the spirit of Christmas. He had not only made a child's Christmas wish come true, but also turned an ordinary shopping day into a memorable holiday miracle. In the hustle and bustle of the big city, a little girl found her way home, a miraculous Christmas tale. Fast forward to 1987, a Christmas miracle takes shape in the form of a baby's first breath. In the heart of Midland, Texas, a story was unfolding that would grip the nation and the world. A tale of a baby girl named Jessica McClure, fondly known as Baby Jessica, who had accidentally fallen into a narrow, abandoned well. The well was over 20 feet deep, the width barely wider than the width of a dollar bill. Rescue attempts were immediately initiated, but the task was far from easy. The rescue operation was a race against time, with every passing second crucial. The rescue team had to drill a parallel shaft to reach Jessica, a process that was fraught with technical complexities and dangers. The harsh winter weather did nothing to aid the efforts, but the rescuers soldiered on, driven by the collective hope of a nation. Jessica's story took over the airwaves. People all over the world were praying for her safe return. Churches, schools, and households were united in their hope and prayers for baby Jessica. The Christmas spirit was alive, but it was tinged with a desperate hope for a miracle. After a grueling 58 hours, the miracle everyone had been praying for arrived. Baby Jessica was finally pulled out of the well, alive and mostly unharmed. It was a moment of collective relief and joy, a testament to the power of unity, hope, and relentless determination. Jessica's rescue came just in time for Christmas. Her survival, the best gift anyone could have asked for. The story of baby Jessica is more than just a tale of survival. It is a story of how a little girl's plight united people around the world, how hope can be kindled in the darkest of times, and how miracles do happen, often when we least expect them. It is a reminder that the spirit of Christmas is about hope, about believing in miracles, and about celebrating the gift of life. A miraculous rescue, a testament to the power of hope and perseverance. In the aftermath of a tragedy, Christmas of 2001 brought a miracle of healing and unity. The year 2001 was a time of heartache and despair for many, especially for the people of New York City. The tragic events of September 11th had left a deep wound, not just on the city's skyline, but in the hearts of its inhabitants. Yet, as the holiday season approached, the city found itself yearning for a sense of normalcy, a glimmer of hope, a miracle. And so, New Yorkers came together, demonstrating an extraordinary resilience and unity. They found strength in each other, in their shared pain and their shared determination to rebound. The city that never sleeps refused to be bowed by sorrow. Instead, it chose to light up its streets, its homes, its hearts, embracing the spirit of Christmas like never before. The holiday season that year was a testament to the indomitable spirit of New York City. Despite their grief, New Yorkers celebrated Christmas with a fervor that was both a tribute to those they had lost and a bold statement of their resilience. The city was adorned with twinkling lights, festive decorations, and the laughter and joy of its people echoed in every corner. The Christmas spirit was alive and well, a beacon of hope in a time of darkness. People from all walks of life, all religions, all ethnicities, came together to celebrate, to heal, to unite. They shared meals, sang carols, exchanged gifts, and in doing so, they created a Christmas miracle. The miracle was not of supernatural origin, but a testament to the human spirit, to the power of unity and collective strength. The Christmas of 2001 was a symbol of hope and resilience. It showed the world that even in the face of unthinkable adversity, the human spirit could not only endure, but also triumph. In the face of adversity, a city united, creating a miracle of healing and hope. Now, let's step into the recent past, the Christmas of 2020, a year marked by a global pandemic. In the heart of 2020, the world found itself in the throes of a global health crisis. The pandemic had cast a heavy shadow, and yet, amidst all the uncertainty and fear, the spirit of Christmas found a way to shine through. This is the story of a Christmas miracle, crafted by hands of kindness, compassion, and resilience. Across the globe, people were reaching out to one another, not physically, but emotionally. The world was learning to connect in a whole new way. And in the epicenter of this crisis, everyday heroes emerged. They were not dressed in capes or armor, but in scrubs and masks, in delivery uniforms and grocery aprons. They were our frontline workers, our neighbors, our friends, and our families, all embodying the true spirit of Christmas. In a small town in Kansas, a family started a campaign to send thank you notes to healthcare workers. Thousands of heartwarming messages poured in, bringing smiles to those fighting on the front lines. Meanwhile, in London, a group of musicians performed virtual concerts, spreading holiday cheer to those stuck at home. In Madrid, a chef transformed his restaurant into a soup kitchen, ensuring no one went hungry during the holiday season. And in Mumbai, a group of youngsters took it upon themselves to deliver groceries to the elderly, ensuring they had a festive meal to enjoy. Every corner of the world had its own tale of kindness and compassion. Ordinary people were reaching out, helping others, and in doing so, creating extraordinary miracles. They reminded us that the spirit of Christmas is not about the gifts under the tree, but about the love we share and the light we bring into each other's lives. In a time of global crisis, the spirit of giving and kindness prevailed, crafting a unique Christmas miracle. From the trenches of World War I to the streets of New York, Christmas miracles have touched countless lives. They've shown us that even in the darkest of times, a beacon of hope can shine through. In 1914, a brief respite from war was a miracle in itself. Fast forward to 1947, a single act of kindness sparked a movement that warmed the hearts of an entire city. In 1987 and 2001, the spirit of Christmas was a balm on wounds of tragedy, igniting a flame of resilience and unity. And even in the year of a global pandemic, in 2020, the miracle of human connection prevailed. These miracles, they're not mere tales of yesteryears. They are a testament to the indomitable human spirit, to the power of hope, kindness, and the magic of Christmas. Remember, miracles happen every day, and they are not just stories, but a testament to the power of hope, kindness, and the magic of Christmas.